welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are doing the Woody and Bo ears, and I love these. I think these take the cake for my favorite ears. I actually sewed them a little different in this video, so you'll see that I accidentally sewed them right sides out, but I'm not hating it. So if you want to see how to actually make the Mickey ears, check out the description because I have a list of all the things that you'll need and videos that you'll need to actually be a Mickey ear maker. But once you're a Mickey ear maker, all of these tutorials that come out this summer will make so much more sense because I'm going to be debuting all the different SVGs that are available for my members. I also have each bundle available for purchase if you're not a member, but it is the biggest bang for your buck if you're a member of Auntie Tay's, my membership, which is the crafting community. That's what I like to call it. But basically you get access to thousands of SVGs, cut files. I'm coming out with printable patterns. We have, and you get 20% off all crafting products that I come out with forever. So I'm coming out with new products all the time, and my members always get a discount. And so there's that. All right, let's get going. Again, I'm just gonna let these speak for themselves. They are so cute. Let's go.
All right, guys, the Woody and Bo SVG, oh goodness, it is probably one of my favorites. Bo is super easy. It is just one layer SVG, but we are gonna use a really cool technique for hers, which can also be used on princesses. I really got Rapunzel vibes from this, so you can definitely do this with Rapunzel ears as well. But I'm just going to show you Bo for now. So what we're going to do is put our HTV on as if it were the corset, and we're only going to heat up the outside layer. We're going to leave the circle parts exposed so that they don't stick fully down to the fabric. And then we're going to pull the plastic off very carefully so that it doesn't tear the HTV, but we get this nice little lip that we can work with our ribbon later. So just do that on both sides, and then we're going to move over to Woody, and he is 3 layers of HTV. So we're using our checkered SVG part for him. Again, this is all in one bundle, so when you download this, you'll get the checkered, and then you'll also get the vest part, and you'll also get the cow spots. So this can be used for other characters as well, but for Woody, it's all these 3 parts, and then you just use red, white, and black, and then I'm using a yellow fabric. So all of the SVGs can be interchanged with the color that goes on the background. Like if you wanted to do red fabric and you had yellow HTV on hand, you could do the reverse cut and do that as well. So then I'm just going to do the next 2 layers, and then I am going to sew these as I would any other Mickey ears, but you're gonna notice in this tutorial that I actually sewed these different on accident, but I actually love it. So I accidentally sewed them right sides out, and it was super cute. So now I'm going to take some ribbon and just lace through the HTV, being very careful to make sure that the ribbon doesn't tear the HTV, and also making sure that my ribbon is perfect and layered, because we are going to press it down with an easy press when I have it all situated. And I'm just going to do one side at a time. I'm going to do this side all by itself, and then I'm going to go in with the other side and lace that up after I'm done with this side. But I do want to make sure that all of my laces are going from under to over. So I'm starting by going to the bottom and then going over the top, so that you don't see any of the holes at the end. You just see the lace coming out from the holes. And now I'm going to take my easy press. I didn't film this part, but I'm just going to press them down, and then they look super cute. And then once they're pressed down, you can tie a nice little bow and then hot glue it and cut off the pieces so that it stays like that forever. Now you can just leave this like this. Again, this would be perfect Rapunzel, just with different colors, but I had some lace lying around, and so I just thought I had to use it because Bo is so cute, and I just wanted to make sure that this looked just like her. So I'm just going to use this little piece of lace on both sides and some hot glue, and hot glue those on. And then if you want to see how to make the rest of the ears, make sure to check out in the description. I have the tutorial for how to make the rest of the Mickey ears, as well as other tutorials like the perfect bow and other characters, so make sure to check those out as well.
Just let it out. I'm by your side.